Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Monica and I'm back as usual lately with another advent calendar. This time is the Amore Pacific advent calendar for 2018. We have in this one 12 days of essential beauty with Amore Pacific botanical essentials. It's a Korean brand. They usually have an advent calendar every year. If you wanna see the last year one, I will have it in the description box. Here is the print for the 2018 one. A beautiful packaging with green, red, white, and of course gold. So here is the packaging for this one. We have 12 days in this calendar, and let's go ahead and see. On the back we have ingredients for each product, and let's go ahead and see what we have actually in this one. The box, it's pretty nice. So this one opens like this. Oops. And here are the boxes. Pretty nice arrangement of boxes. I like the box way better than many others. I like the way they arrange all of them. They don't want to stay there. So anyway, here is the box inside, green with gold. Pretty nice. And we have in here, celebrating this special holiday, Amore Pacific, an enchanted botanical garden that embraces the mystery of nature. It transformed into the dazzling fest of Asian botanicals. Amore Pacific now invites you to the land of botanical beauty. So let's go ahead and see what we have in here. We have 12 boxes, and I will start with day one, which is this one. And in this one we have, this one comes with moisture bound skin energy hydration delivery system, and I believe this one is water free. I believe it's a toner, I'm not so sure. Comes with 1 fluid ounce, which is 30 milliliters, and it says here it's a toner or an essence, because it says here to apply it after cleaning and toning, cleansing and toning. So probably it's an essence. So here is day number one, a good size, 1 fluid ounces. Then we have in here day number two, which is this one right here. For this one, and we have some information on the box also. It says the same thing. For this one we have a treatment toner in 1 fluid ounce also. And this one looks like this. The products are very watery. Another 1 fluid ounce a size, a toner. Then we have day number 3, which is this box here. I don't want to stay there. In this one we have, hard to see on this packaging, it's a sleeping recovery mask. It's a smaller size, a tiny one this time. So a sleeping mask which comes with 0.16 fluid ounces, which is 5 milliliters, is this tiny guy right here. Then we have for day number 4, which is this box. This one comes with the essential cream fluid with 0.1 fluid ounce, which is 5 milliliters. And this guy looks like this. Then we have day number 5, which is a gold box. is this one, and this one is Moisture Bound Rejuvenating Eye Treatment Gel in 0.1 fluid ounce, which is 3 milliliters. So for this one, if you look on the back, the packaging, it's empty here. Here is the product. So this was day number 5, an eye gel treatment. Then for day number 6 we have another tiny box, and this one is still in 0.1 fluid ounces, 3 milliliters, is Moisture Bound Refreshing Hydra Gel. Yes, it's Refreshing Hydra Gel in the same size. Then we have also in here day number 7, which is this gold box, and this one is Vintage Single Extract Essence in 0.1 fluid ounce, which is 5 milliliters. I saw that for the same 0.1 on some of the products is listed 5 milliliters, other are listed with 3. So yeah, this one is an essence and has this amber color. I do like Korean skincare products. Then we have day number 8, is this box. And this one is the treatment enzyme peel, which comes with 7 grams. I had one of these in my samples of the week video a while ago. It's a powder, it's a cleansing powder, which was pretty nice. Does a great job cleansing and exfoliating in the same time. So a great item in here. Then we have day number 9. And this one is Rejuvenating Serum in 0.1 fluid ounce, 3 milliliters this time. To me it's a big difference between 3 and 5, but anyway. So here is the serum, and comes with a pump. For day number 10, which is this box, we have a cleansing oil in 1 fluid ounce, which is 30 milliliters. To me it doesn't look at all as a cleansing oil. So is this one. Day number 11, it's a tiny guy, and this one is Botanical Radiance Oil in 0.1 fluid ounce, 5 milliliters. So a face oil in a very cute packaging, a very tiny one. Then for the last day, day number 12, which is this one. This one is, it's a cleansing cleansing foam, and this one comes with 0.5 fluid ounces, which is 15 milliliters. So is this one right here. This is the last product in the box. So far we have 12 days, kind of a complete skincare regimen, a basic skincare regimen, starting with cleanser, ending with oils, creams, serums, essences, and all that good stuff. I will show you the box again. It's a pretty nice box. I like this, the packaging for this year better than the one that they had last year. Comes with those boxes. Pretty nice arrangement. Here is the cover. Pretty nice colors in this one. So let me know what do you think about this advent calendar, if you used the Amore Pacific brand before, and how do you like it. So far, I do like the box, and I do like the sizes, because if you watch my channel, you know I'm more into deluxe samples than full sizes. So again, here is the Amore Pacific for 2018. I will see you guys with another advent calendar. In the meantime, you have a great day. Bye bye.